Welcome to Miss PM Reads. Today we are reading Scat, Cat, story by Alyssa, Satin, Capucilli, pictures by Meisel. Scat, Cat, story by Alyssa, Satin, Capucilli, pictures by Meisel. There was a cat. It was a small cat. It was a striped cat. It was a lost cat. The cat walked and walked. "Scat, cat," said the dog. "Scat, cat," said the bird. "Scat, cat," said the other cats. "Go home." So the cat walked and walked some more. "Scat, cat," said the barber. "Scat, cat," said the baker. "Scat, cat," said the bus driver. "Go home." The cat kept walking. "Scat, cat," said the duck. "Scat, cat," said the frog. "Scat, cat," said the goose. "Go home." The cat walked and walked until the sky grew dark. "Scat, cat," said the owl. "Scat, cat," said the bat. The cat curled up in a log. "That's my log," said the skunk. "Scat, cat." So the cat walked and walked, and the cat walked and walked some more. The cat walked until he came to a little house. The tired cat climbed the steps and curled up on a soft pillow. And there the small cat fell fast asleep under the starry sky. When morning came, the cat stretched. The cat yawned. The cat blinked its eyes. There was a little boy. The little boy did not say, "Scat, cat." He said, "Where have you been, cat? I've been looking for you everywhere." "Mew, mew, mew," said the small cat. It was good to be home. The end. Thank you for joining me for Miss PM Reads.